moment.
Oh, hey. At the moment,
Look at this.
we're all so fab.
How are you?
I'm good, Julie.
You've done very summery. Your bag lady
Oh, the
today.
usual chauffeurs here. How you doing, Matt? Are you good?
Cash in here.
It's because like some of the girls gave me cash at the body shop event.
Ah,
By the way,
right,
you
okay.
missed out. It was so much fun on Thursday. How good was Thursday, Polly?
Thursday was absolutely
Like there's lots
amazing.
of like familiar faces, but loads of like the other girls came that hadn't, so it was really nice, a really good mix. How warm is it? I can't.
It's
actually
beautiful.
believe it. Have you seen the other girls? That's in the car. That's not mine.
You handed me it. I assumed that was yours.
Stealing stuff. You're like, that one's nice. I like how she is literally stealing stuff. Sorry. Guys, ready to get busy? We need to put these in the goodie bag, them in the goodie bag, and I need to put the cake pops on the place cards. Thank you.
Love it. Love it.
You're sad. Come on, get this moving. You'll never get a factory job with this attitude.
So we're just looking up goodie bags just now because the Glasgow don't have our room. Not our room.
Well, it is a room.
They don't have our table yet. It's not ready because it was a busy one morning. So we're just making up our goodie bags just now.
We're not busy.
No, we're not busy. It was like
I'll
we
give
don't
nothing
have
better to
time.
do. Oh, that'll be a lot.
You can come in.
Oh, man.
I need one Gemma's little partners.
What, pink or yellow? From Thursday. So your cake brand. I was like, this black is not on brand for me. It's not. It's not funny enough.
It's yours.
Oh my God.
So we're just waiting for Gemma to organise a few bits and bobs. We have made up all the goodie bags.
They're so cute.
They are so cute. They're made from Penny from Law School in Maitland, and she has individually named them all for us. So this is Rachel. Hi Rachel. I hope you enjoy your goodie bag when you get here.
How you doing, darling?
How are you?
Really liking it.
And it's so strange. Hi, gorgeous. Very cool, love it, guys. Love it. We were playing. Just like put the music on and let me like, oh. And I'll organise it after Zumba. It's
Quite frankly, they're all local or independent businesses. So, firstly, bag guys. Some of you know Penny from Lost Clothing, so make sure you tag her. So they're all personalised, ethical, sustainable, fabulous. We have this book. Who's this by? Jen at the end of the table. Lollipop. Yeah. So it is vegan, healthy, no refined sugar, no dairy, no soy, no anything, and that's by Rawnchy. And you should all have a positivity postcard, which is by Being Alright. And she's adorable, so she's a mental health champion. All her feed is the Instagram should not be, well, exactly what we're trying to get away from. It's not bitchy, it's not intimidating, it should be. You should have a notepad and some bits and bobs. And this is not about paper, and again, it's a small business. Where the base quality.
somewhere in England.
Yeah, down south, small wee town, but very generous, and again there's a discount code on there if you guys want to share it, use it. Oh, we've got lots of Body Shop samples, so for guys who don't know, we've partnered with the Body Shop and we have events for the rest of the year. So Vlogs events all fall to us. I think most of you have been to Vloggers to brunch at Body Shop. How good are they? Like, amazing. This is so cute. Made for life. Again, fully organic, vegan, cruelty-free. No pushing my agenda at all. If you love it, Blythewood Spa actually use it. But you can go on the website and order, and it's frozen and spotless. So let's say thank you to everybody who's came previous events, this event, what's shop. You just shared it on Instagram. So thank you. Well brunch. I like how Denise was there to say, only you could be late to the only thing that you want to do. I can literally see the food on the thing. I can actually maybe see food on the table. Maybe we'll get fed. Maybe brunch. Too much to ask, I don't know. Too much to ask. Thank you. She's engaged. Happy engagement to you. The legs. I was maybe. No, I think I'm
Oh, look at your gorgeous hair.
Look at your gorgeous hair. That's been another brunch and it was amazing. I love bringing everybody together. We had some of the old gang, some of the new gang, and everybody loved each other, and that's what matters. It's been really, really good. And the next one's getting announced soon, so turn your story notifications on Vloggers Who Brunch Glasgow on Instagram. Thank you.
I made my head in the last week.